How y'all doing tonight? I'm feeling good. Just wanna know how you feel,
Cause I feel so awesome. How you feel? Awesome. I guess that's awesome. Shorty, you fine and your body is awesome. Wanna roll? Awesome. Well, let's go. Awesome. Hands in the sky like.
Some call me Steve, but you can call me Awesome. Roast 'em on the mic, straight Jeffrey Rossum. These girls say I go long, 84 I'm awesome. A young white Mac, like I just signed with Rostrum. That's ill, just make records for the hell of it. Don't fuck with me, I just assume you're celibate. Girls trying to jump my bones like trampolines and skeletons. Slice, just stop it, these lines too intelligent. Burning up, we melting shit, higher than a pelican. My nugs on point, on some Raymond Felton shit. So tell a bitch, I'ma drop a line that'll reel her in quick, like I'm trying to sell a fish. I got the magic stick, hocus pocus. These rappers can't serve me, they just the hostess. And you can catch me in a Ford poppin' Ritalin, cause I got so much drive and focus.
Tell me what got two thumbs and knows how to spit rhymes. Two thumbs up, you gon' point him at this guy. Al Hedison couldn't be this fly. So ask how I feel and you know I'll reply like I feel so awesome. How you feel? Awesome. I guess that's awesome. Shorty, you fine and your body is awesome. Yeah, wanna roll? Awesome. Well, let's go. Awesome. Hands in the sky like.
Now I'm climbing, meet me at the top, passing shots to babes at the beach like I'm Hasselhoff. Time to show the competition where the casket drops, putting me to sleep. They lines mattress soft, cake my khakis off, no time for slacking, just rapping, new school, fuck a has-been. Straight mashing, I smash on songs, fuck with my singles on the web like Match.com. I pass out bombs, Mike Vick with the microphone, more like Brady. I'm bringing titles home, game needed youth, so I gladly entered. I'm trying to bring bucks home like the Bradley Center. I hope you like my sports references, cause you know ballin' is where my attention is. Kid from Soda just trying to get a deal, and once that happens, you'll know how I feel.
Tell me what got two thumbs